Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillett, and today I'm making you a quick video on how to get your door key code for your Lincoln Nautilus. So if you have a 2024, 2025, 2026 Lincoln Nautilus, this will work for this. Lincolns used to come with a little card in the glove box that had your door key code on it. They no longer have that. So you either have to go to the dealership and pay them money and they will pull your door key code, or you can use this method, which is simple and free. So starting off, we need both key fobs. That's key. If you don't have both key fobs, it's not going to work. Then I just want to show you, you can actually see a little place to put your key fob down here. Now what that's for is if you put your key fob in there and the battery is not working or you don't have a battery at all, you can start your vehicle even if there's no battery in here. So if you're like me and you procrastinate a lot when this starts warning you that the battery is low, and then it gets so low that it won't start the car, you can actually put this inside there and it'll be like putting a key in the ignition and you can start the car even with no battery. So that's a little extra tip. So what we're going to do to pull the key code is we're going to put one of these key fobs in there. We are going to push the start button and I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to switch these out, the other one in, and we're just going to go and hit this button again. And then we are just going to wait. And as we wait here, it shows us the factory code 39593. So now you know what it is, 39593. So if we take these keys out of here, we close this up, we go outside of the vehicle, remember 39593. We can go ahead and hit the lock button here. And then we can just put in 39593. And it's unlocked the vehicle and now we can get back in. So now you guys know what I know. I hope that helps you out, gets you your door key code. You guys want to do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. If you like this content and you want to see more of it, go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about this or want to see any other content on the Nautilus or anything else, go ahead and throw that down in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you with that. Okay, everyone, have a great day.